Hello, myself Lakshman, and today's date is 7 January 2022. Today we are going to discuss the Java new topic, that is hash code. For every object, the unique number is generated by the JVM, that is called as hash code. That unique number is called as hash code. Why the JVM is generated a hash code for every object? As we know that in Java there are some uh, hash code data structure in collection, that is hash map, hash set, and hash table, and so on. The several hash code data structure is present. To add the object into the hash data structure, then that's why the JVM generate a hash code to add object into the this hash code data structure. But why this data structure, hash code data structure, is introduced in Java? The simple reason is to add this data hash code data structure in the JVM for the searching purpose. To search fast and easy way, to search any object fast and easy way, then we go through the hash code hashing searching, that is hash code searching. In searching, the basically there are three types, that is linear search, binary search, and hashing search. In linear search, we are go through step by step. For example, number is 6, and this 6 is found between 1 and 10, between 1 and 10. In linear search, we go through 1, 2, 3, 4, that is stepwise to search any object or any number or whatever. Then in linear search, go through the step by step. In linear search, we face a performance problem, as well as it is a time consuming. The second search is binary search. We take a same example. We search 6 number between 1 to 10, and we go through the binary searching. In binary searching, this length 10 is divided by 2. It means the given length or given objects is divided into the two parts. Suppose the finding object is greater than the middle object, then we go through the searching for the right side. But the object find is less than the middle, then we go through the left side, and this process is continuous. This is also time consuming because we where whole objects are divided into the two parts, and again two parts, again two parts. This is also time consuming. The third part of searching is hashing. In hashing, the directly ask to the object what is your hash code, and with the base of the hash code, directly go through the directly go on to the go on into the object. Not any other search is required. We know that the hash code method is present in a object class. If we want to create our own hash code, then we can done that. But we also use object class hash code method. In object class hash code method, generate a hash code JVM with the help of the object address. The hash code is generated by the JVM with the help of address of a object, but it is not hash code is not address of object, but with the help of object address hash code is generated. This is all about the hash code. And one last point is the hash code is a native method. Okay, this is all about the hash code and hash code method in Java. Thank you.